Welcome to Major Tool and Machine. Today we're going to talk about safety requirements and rules for walking around the plant. Eye protection is required at all times while on the plant floor, and you may be asked to put on ear protection in certain areas. No open-toed shoes are allowed on the plant floor, and safety shoes are recommended at all times and required if walking outside the lanes. Always walk within the aisles, except to move out of the way of a forklift. Forklifts have the right of way within the plant. Check for forklifts around blind corners before walking out into the aisles. Never walk under suspended loads, no matter the size. Do not touch metal scraps or customer parts, and absolutely no photography is permitted. Be aware of your surroundings and signs in the area. If you have a question, ask your host. In the event of an emergency, follow your host's instructions to the designated safety areas. Before working on booms or scissor lifts, it is important to follow the proper lockout, tag-out procedure. Power off the crane and place a tag and lock on the crane disconnect before beginning. If working near the X-ray booth, it is required to also lock out the X-ray cabinet. Always put on a safety harness, making sure every clip is secure, and locate the latch points on the lift before operating. Rope off every part of the work area, not just under the lift. This is to ensure that no personnel is walking underneath the work area if an object is dropped. Once the power is locked out, the harness secured and latched in, and the work area is roped off, attach the crane row locks to both ends of the crane. While operating the scissor lift, extend the platform if necessary, and always lock it in place before using the platform. Always attach both chains to the end of the lift before operating. When working on high voltage panels, be sure to turn off the power and lock out the latch. If multiple people are working on the same panel, multiple locks must be attached. Once the power is locked out, the electrical panel may be worked on. If working on live, high voltage panels, the operator must have a buttoned long sleeve work jacket, insulated gloves which go over the sleeves, and an electrical approved face shield. Once all of this equipment is in place, the live panel may be worked on. Before working in a confined space, using a fork truck or any other equipment, refer to maintenance personnel first.